Hey guys, this is Josh. I'm the trainer and mobility movement specialist here at Inver Chiropractic. And today I just want to talk to you about some different things that you can do to kind of help rehab and treat those shoulder injuries. So the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is using the lacrosse ball. So with this, similar to effect to how a foam roller works, but we can really pinpoint and target those areas, help break up any knots that you might have, give you some relief. And so how to use this here? We're just going to come right on over to a wall. You can also use the floor as well if it's more comfortable on the floor. What you're going to do here is kind of put it in the back of the shoulder, kind of right where you're having that spot that's kind of tight, giving you a little bit of pain. You're going to lean into it, however much pressure is comfortable for you that you can stand. What you're going to do is just move back and forth, up and down, really trying to pinpoint those knots, trying to work them out. And as you're rolling around, if you're rolling, it feels like you kind of need to lower the ball or kind of move it more in close to the spine or down out towards the shoulder. Feel out how it feels, and then try to find those spots, work them out. Be really good, give you guys some relief. Next exercise I want to show you, we're going to use the PVC pipe here. We're going to do what's called shoulder pass-throughs, and this will help to loosen up not only in the shoulders, but really getting into the chest, into the rear delts here, into the traps a little bit, really loosen up the whole upper body, getting some relief that way. So what we're going to do here, put our arms a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, bring the PVC pipe down to about waist level, keep our hands straight. What we're going to do is bring the pipe out in front of us, overhead, and then this next part here is keeping the arm straight, bring it back as far as you can go, and if we can, we'll bring it down, touch that lower back, and then slowly start to bring the pipe back overhead, keep the arms nice and straight throughout the entire range of motion. Really focusing on loosening up the upper body, just going nice, slow, and controlled, really getting a good stretch out of the movement. Hope we get some relief that way. And the last one that I'll show you guys, we're going to come over to the band here. And so this exercise what we'll do is really help to target the shoulder specifically, really stretching everything out. And then with this exercise too, when I go through the motion, it's really important that we're not leaning back, because that'll help to really put some strain on the shoulder. So what we want to do to help kind of fix any impingement that we might have going on, we're going to take our hand, come underneath the band, grab it, pull it back till it's tight, keep your arm straight, head next to your arm here, slight bend in the knee, and what we're going to do is start to lean forward until you really start to feel it stretch out from the shoulder. And then all we do, hold that stretch there, and then when we're done there, we'll just come up, facing the wall there, let it pull across your body. We don't want to turn, so again, that'll start to pull on the shoulder. We just want to stand straight up from where we were, turn to the side, let it pull across your body. Get a good stretch this way, and then repeat the same thing on the other arm. Really stretching out those shoulders. Hope we get good relief out of that. So, hope this video helps, and hopefully we can get rid of that shoulder pain for you.